I think you was just under 9, maybe on 9.
Alright, because I put on the other linears, I want to see how much difference there is. I'm only putting 6 watts into them. But what's the signal on this linear?
You're just under 9. I'm guessing it probably is 9 because this meter is pretty hard to read on the 9900.
Just under 9, yeah? Alright, I'll warm them up. I'll give you a shot.
Alright, get the old Bunsen burner can, mate. Yeah, I hear you side, but you're just a voice pattern, mate. I'm not getting no discernible voice out of it. Yeah, Roger, I think I got 9s out of that. Cheers, fella. Yeah, wherever you are, you're coming across £6.5, man, but I'm just not getting any vocal off you. It's just interference.